Unexpected encounters between police officers and wild animals have been fully captured on Bodycam. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous animals, you won't believe what happens next. Let's watch police versus wild animals. Bodycam captures everything. If you came across a scene like this in real life, how do you think you'd react? Would you film it or run first? If you were standing on your porch and saw a snake like this, you'd probably freeze in place.
There it is. Good work.
Worn and tired out. You don't want to jump on it if you've got a bunch of spunk in it.
In Georgia, anything can happen, even an alligator getting arrested.
Business end is...
The horse got stuck like that, but was still rescued safely, truly fortunate.
Brett, there we go. Come on, baby. All right.
If you saw two dogs fall into an icy lake like that, would you jump in to save them or call rescue services immediately?
Come here. Good job, buddy. Good job. Come on, guys. Come on.
That can take a finger.
Oh, it's adorable. Do you just have like regular tape on it?
It's gonna whip your leg.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thankfully, they were pulled out in time just a few more minutes, and they probably wouldn't have made it. In Florida, you never really know who your neighbor will be today.
Oh.
Easy.
Oh.
Grab the rope. 1, 2, 3.
I got him.
Come on.
If this one ran onto a highway, everyone would have to swerve immediately. It's extremely dangerous. Watching it run like that, you have to admit it's fast and powerful, definitely not easy to catch. It may look small, but it's not to be underestimated. Its claws are extremely dangerous. Police service dogs are no joke. Their reflexes and speed are incredibly fast.
Dog in the car. Where's it at? Put me in the back. I kicked him. Come on. Come on.
If you were waiting for a flight and saw this, you'd probably forget about your trip altogether. Cookeville never seems to lack drama today. It's a zebra on the run.
I get it. Yep.
Hi, buddy. Huh? What can I do, Garrison?
Here you go, buddy.
They're easier to walk than my dog.
If you saw an ostrich running in the middle of the road like this, what do you think would be the most effective way to stop it? A cow running in the middle of a highway. This is truly a can't believe it moment. not everyone agrees with prioritizing the rescue of animals in a fire. Some would argue that the primary duty is to ensure human safety first, while others believe that every life deserves to be saved. Police work is truly unpredictable. One day it could be criminals, and the next day, a stray cow. If you saw a cow stuck in something like this, what do you think would be the safest way to handle it? These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police officers and wild animals, all captured on camera. If you enjoy realistic body cam videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes.